Welcome to the future of mobile computing, where the lines between your PC and smartphone blur. Today we're diving into the revolutionary world of Windows 11 emulation on Android devices. Imagine running Windows 11 with all its sleek design and powerful features right in the palm of your hand. A Windows 11 emulator for Android is a software masterpiece that mimics the Windows 11 operating system, allowing you to run it on your Android device. This means access to Windows apps, games, and even the iconic Start menu, all from your smartphone or tablet. The reasons are as diverse as the users. Some seek the flexibility of Windows software on the go, while others might be developers testing their apps across different platforms. Then, there are the tech enthusiasts, who simply love pushing their devices to the limits of what's possible. Getting started is easier than you think. First, you'll need to choose the right emulator. Options like Bliss OS or Limbo PC emulator are popular among users for their stability and performance. After downloading the emulator app, follow the step-by-step guide to install Windows 11. It's crucial to ensure your device meets the minimum requirements for a smooth experience. Optimizing performance is key. Here are some tips. 1. Allocate more RAM from your Android device to the emulator. 2. Use a high-speed microSD card if storage expansion is necessary. 3. Close background apps to free up resources. Running an emulator comes with security implications. Always download emulators from reputable sources and keep your Windows 11 installation up to date with the latest security patches. The power of Windows 11 right on your Android device opens up a new realm of possibilities. Whether for productivity, development, or just for fun, the world of emulation awaits. Thank you for watching. Dive into the world of emulators and transform your Android experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and guides. See you in the next video.